that is hurt. See my hands already.
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
Stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me.
One particular manager broke 2 monitors, got denied boarding for her behavior.
Is she intoxicated?
Now, she was on a flight that it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset, and then it went from there.
194, we're 1012 with the subject.
3 charges, 1 evidentiary flaw.
For this flight.
Hi,
Right.
what happened?
What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air.
Go ahead. Just keep talking.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was here in the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was.
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about it.
It's just it's my mom. It's my mom.
Okay, so get off
Mira, madre, madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
So this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem. It's not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You keep me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hold on.
Hey,
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go.
cool. Can I see that?
Right there.
I also have it right here too.
Yeah. Ooh, that's assault.
3 weeks. 3 weeks for my money, right? 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 3 weeks. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights, 3 planes. After 45 minutes.
Is it a joke?
Oh, the police.
You want to press charges?
Oh, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you want
You know how to work Axon?
Yeah. I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, can you want you're gonna write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke
How do we do? The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this gonna cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500. So I would say $1,000. People too, so that's probably $200.
Cool.
Florida's battery statute requires intentional unwanted contact. The employee's on-scene statement satisfies probable cause under Johnson versus State. This charge stands. Florida's criminal mischief statute becomes a felony at $1,000 in damage. That threshold rests entirely on an infield estimate. Courts require verified documentation, not supervisory guesswork. This is the weakest charge at trial. The resisting statute targets active obstruction, not passive refusal. The subject's documented movement against the escort crosses that line.
Hooker. Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. We'll settle that out. What happened? You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know
we'll
who's
get you to write a statement.
Stop
Okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still.
She's too closer. She's
Why am
Stop! Don't do that.
Because you broke that
Don't do that. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
and they broke my heart, and
Okay.
they broke my flight.
not a crime.
It's not a crime, Dad. No, that is not a crime,
so
right?
small that it.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives.
Yeah,
That
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my
All right,
I have
come on.
my medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that to,
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When
no.
they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on. Don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you
there.
are proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If
Stop squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming-
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing.
keep
You
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You are hurting me. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming
Oh.
your arms and you're trying to
Oh.
get out of these handcuffs.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
Yeah, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. O sea, ¿cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that
Stop.
that
moving
you're gonna
around.
take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get him. Let's go and bring him.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closed. The stepping in. Open it. Yeah,
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are.
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want, that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. We're all good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. One second. 1 second. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's Armani's got everything.
Salomit. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
Airport.
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out. But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
On Officer Forrest Graham versus Connor's three-factor test offense, severity, threat level, active resistance, all pointed toward justified soft empty hand control. The standard was met. Officers B+. Probable cause preceded contact. De-escalation was genuine. Subject D+. 3 voluntary admissions. 3 charges. Emotional distress is not a legal defense. Airport personnel B. Professional post-incident response. Pre-incident intervention unrecorded. 3 takeaways. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, anything said before formal arrest is admissible without Miranda. Speaking freely to officers is not cooperation. It is evidence, and most people do not realize that until it is too late. Florida's felony threshold for property damage is a fixed dollar figure. Emotion and circumstance are legally irrelevant. The right remedy for an airline grievance is civil litigation, not a broken monitor. Resisting without violence requires no attack on officers. Once handcuffs are applied, the only legally sound response is compliance. The place to challenge an arrest is a courtroom, not a terminal corridor. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Real Crime Audit, for more police interaction and courtroom content.